All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So a lot of you guys have flooded my inbox in concerns about what you should do with your LG device. Now, I personally still am holding on to the LG Velvet, and I'm actually going to pick up something else because I think it's going to be an item that you should probably hold on to. I'll show you later. But nonetheless, when it comes to what you should do, and I know these questions are probably coming from people who are not like tech reviewers, or they're not real serious about tech like we are. Not serious, but they're not people out there reviewing phones, I'll say. And it's just a general question like, should I actually start to think about leaving LG products altogether? Well, the short answer is absolutely not. If your phone works, keep it. There's no reason, there's no rhyme or reason why you should just start ditching on your phone, especially if it works. So, and I understand the question. I mean, you're wondering, okay, everybody else is leaving, so should I? Yeah, but the quick answer is absolutely not. Don't just ditch on your phone just because you think that you're going to get left behind or something. I don't really know. But I say that if in fact you are having problems with your device or whatever, you know what I'm saying? Like if the screen is cracked or it's not charging, anytime your phone is malfunctioning, you really should start to think about getting something else. But this discussion video today, and I decided, did I say it already? This is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, recording this video. So, for me, there's no catch and release for LG at all, because we get into a situation where we always forget about the regular people who don't put cell phones at the top of the list in their life. They're just not. They're just people. They just happen to buy a phone that was LG, or they actually do like LG as a company, because there's a lot of like regular end users out there who actually like LG and their experience with LG. One of my sisters, she loves LG devices. Sister Harris, she loves LG devices, and she pretty much I think she still has an LG G2. That was one of her favorite devices. But there's plenty of people out there who actually love LG devices. They just can't get a hold of. I don't think they're the people out there who are not tech reviewers. Some of them can't grasp reality that they don't have to do what we say. I mean, there's no other way to say that. Some tech reviewers have a power and an influence over people, and sometimes that's not good. And sometimes because they might be listening to the wrong reviewers, if you will, whatever that means to you. But I think when you're looking at tech reviews on products, you really should only take a small percentage of what that tech reviewer is saying. The rest of the 99% of the research needs to be done by you, and the going to the stores and doing all these things to figure out if that device matches your needs. Because right now in the tech game, plenty of phones, LG included, can satisfy the majority of people. There are flip phones that can satisfy. One of my other sisters, Sister Ma, she carries a flip phone still. She's totally comfortable with that. She doesn't do social media. She uses the phone for phone calls when she needs to. There's plenty of people out there that are like that. And those are the people that are actually controlling the market. It may seem like the people on YouTube and all these tech reviews and all that stuff, it may seem like they're controlling the market when it comes to what's being purchased. They're really not. The tech community and tech enthusiasts are a small bunch of people. This is a small group of people in a small area that just happen to have a bigger voice than some other people. Now, how people shop, they jump on and look for a review. That's how people shop nowadays. They jump online and look for a review on a product, and they want to be swayed that that product is good, instead of hearing a more neutral playing field. Now, some products are just flat out good. There are a lot of phones out there and computers or whatever that are really good, but they'll tend to get a bad rap by a tech reviewer just because that tech reviewer's expectations are they're just not realistic whatsoever. And they forget about the people who are actually buying the products. Because most of the tech reviewers aren't buying the products. They're getting them they're getting them on loan, or there's something like that. But in the end, you decipher what you think is reality and what's not. But I tell you, LG people out there, if you're a regular consumer and you love LG, keep using your product if it works. If you're a person out there who thought about buying LG, I say now is the time to buy because you're going to get some great discounts. Like the Velvet, I think is $400 pretty much everywhere or less. And that's a fantastic device. Now, whether you can get the dual screen or not, I don't know. So if you're a regular end user or a regular consumer and you have the dual screen, let us know where you got it from because I've searched everywhere and I just haven't found any realistic price. I could probably post my dual screen for sale and make $250 off of that alone because people really want that dual screen. And again, the only reason I have it is because LG sent me the dual screen. So I just feel like for those that question whether or not they should stay with LG's products, the short answer again, or the long answer now, is that you should. Don't just switch up just because of what someone said in the tech community. It's not the wise move. You got to do your research. You got to figure it out on your own, and you got to make sure that you're pulling the strings, pulling your own strings, and you're not being treated. You're not in puppet mode. So within the tech community, though, there's a lot of strings getting pulled. There's a lot of strings getting pulled in the tech community, and people just don't think for themselves. They follow whatever is happening at the moment, and the end result is your channel goes a certain way. So as a tech reviewer and a regular consumer, all in one, I try to look out for the consumers when I can. I do buy phones that are really high in price, but I don't always push those to the regular consumers. And I think a lot of times people don't want you to talk about the $19 phone because of the tech world. Some people are convinced that you actually need to spend that money on the iPhone 12 Pro Max, wherever mine is at. It's over there. Or you got to get the biggest whatever it is. When in reality, you could be perfectly fine with a little flip phone like this. You very well could. So, for those that asked that question, that's what this discussion video was for. It was to let you know that, if you think you have to start ditching on your phone, no, if your phone works, keep it. If you like LG, find a way to, you'll actually get the better deal, because if you like LG, some people are out there selling their devices off at just tremendous prices, and you can capitalize on that. You'll also be able to jump on eBay, Amazon, and all these other places when your current LG device does go kaput. You know what I'm saying? And you can find that same device probably brand new. It's totally up. It's up to you, bars. So it's your man Jay. The discussion that some of you guys asked for, to the subscribers' request, as I grab my S Pen to stop this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and you let me know what you think about your direction and how people should go when it comes to LG products. You think everybody just start selling off their products and switching brands, or what do you think they should do? Are you going to recommend different phone brands to people? I say stay where you're at. You know what I'm saying? And just keep using your device if it's working. And especially if you have devices like the Wing or the Velvet or the V60, LG G8X, the G8. These devices are some of their newer devices. The V line, the V35, the V40, the V2, all those phones are fantastic. So if you really want a good fallback, start grabbing some of those phones, because you're going to get those at a deep discount if you love LG. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Where's that button at? Right there.